What's the meaning of Cambridge University Press? Cambridge University Press. Cambridge University Press.
Cambridge University Press. Cambridge University Press. Cambridge University Press is the publishing house of the University of Cambridge, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. Established in 1534, it is the second oldest university press in the world and has since become a leading academic publisher, producing books and journals in a wide range of subjects, including science, technology, medicine, social sciences, humanities, and education. The press also has a global presence with offices in more than 50 countries, publishing over 50,000 titles by authors from around the world and generating significant revenue for the University of Cambridge.